On this, Jeff up on the beat, yeah. Caribbean to the world. Okay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know right now you're wondering how is it possible to push YouTube in the background. So today I'm going to teach you how to get a premium app in your phone, a YouTube premium app. This will enable you to use your YouTube while you're WhatsApping or doing some other things. It helps you push YouTube in the background and still your videos will play in a small screen displaying over other apps. So here's how. Check the link in my description. Download the YouTube Advanced app. After getting the YouTube Advanced app, install it. Make sure you allow installation from unknown source in settings in your phone. So when you're done, open your YouTube Advanced Manager. So here's how it opens. There is a YouTube Advanced modified YouTube client with many useful features. There is Advanced Micro G. So what you're going to do, you're going to download Advanced Micro G first before installing the YouTube Advanced, because the requirements for this app to operate in your phone greatly depend on the Advanced Micro G. So after downloading, you're going to tap on the download button. But the reason why mine face upward is because I already have the app, so that means I have to update. So use the download button, and then when installation is complete and everything is okay, that means you have to have those refresh buttons instead of the download buttons. After installing the Advanced Micro G, go ahead, install the YouTube Advanced modification, a modified YouTube client with many useful features. After installing, I think you'll be good to go. All you have to do, it will appear in your phone as YouTube Advanced. You tap on it. When you tap on it, try to play. So that means you're done. Try to open the Advanced app, the YouTube Advanced app, because it appears as the YouTube Advanced in your apps. Try to minimize and you're good to go. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more modded apps. Thank you.